Hi guys, welcome to our review channel. In this video, we're going to check out some best products on the market. We've made this list based on our personal opinion and hours of research, and we tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability, and more. For more information and updated pricing, please check out the description below.
Aina Micro 1. Considering that coffee aficionados esteem this line as royalty, the Aina Micro 1 is quite reasonably priced. It also boasts a smaller footprint, so even those with limited counter space can enjoy rich, creamy espresso in the morning. 3 cup sizes. Automatic shut-off function. No option to dispense hot water. E6 Platinum. If your guests are picky, they'll appreciate the options on the E6 Platinum, which has 8 strength levels, allowing each person to customize their beverage. The pulse extraction process is designed to get the most flavor out of every shot. Can prepare 2 drinks simultaneously. Large reservoir. Weighs less than The convenient touchscreen of the S8 Moonlight Silver offers 15 creations, so those who want a ristretto, macchiato, or flat white won't need to settle. The manual frother gives users control over the milk texture, so you can find the perfect consistency. Conical burr grinder. Spout height is adjustable. Dispenses hot water for tea. The D6 Black is a budget-friendly option that can create a rich espresso or creamy cappuccino in only a minute. It can be used with Smart Connect, the company's Bluetooth communication system, allowing you to make your selection from a tablet or smartphone. 7-ounce bean container. Powers down during idle periods. 2 brewing temperatures. Z8 Automatic. Among the many impressive features of the Z8 Automatic are its dual pumps and heating systems, allowing it to brew coffee and dispense milk simultaneously for fast lattes at the push of a button. It also has a water filter that removes chlorine and lead to improve flavor. Built-in grinder, large color touch screen. 21 drink choices.